Your use of GardenCAD is not restricted to producing plans. You can use it very effectively to create artwork and have artwork machined for you. Here's an example. I have a 1200mm by 800mm, which can be a sheet of stainless steel in fact, and it'll be cut into 3 panels. On each panel I've drawn a little design, and what I've done is the colour that is here is just used to illustrate how we might deal with things. But if we look at our layers, you can see I'm drawing, I can draw by colour. If we look at our layer drop down here, I've got a green layer and a red layer. So if I turn off the green layer, and we'll have to do that via layer dialog, and I'll turn off the green layer and I'll turn off the red layer, just leaving layer 0 on, you'll see what happens. There is the design just done in white, and that's what's going to be sent to the laser cutter, the flame cutter, the people who will cut the metal out for me. And if you look closely, what you'll notice is that I've had to compromise the design in a sense, because the cuts will occur where the white lines are, and that will leave holes. The colour that you saw a moment ago will come because we will paint the rear of each panel appropriately with appropriate colours to give us splashes of colours. So the main colour was red, so just behind this panel on the wall we'll paint red, and because these will be holes cut by the laser cutter or flame cutter through the metal, the red will show. So can you see that that saves a great deal of time? You design on the screen and you send the file off to wherever you have someone that can cut metal, and they'll cut metal with their computer cutter device, which might be a flame cutter or a laser cutter or a water jet cutter or even an engraver. So if you use a bit of imagination, you can design these sorts of things. So these 3 panels can be placed on, say, a side wall or a feature wall, and so we're using GardenCAD to cut down on time. It's all automatic. Just design on the screen, email it to your cutter, and the panels will come back to you in a few days and can be mounted on the wall.